Playing Games presents how to solve a Rubik's Cube in under 10 seconds using just one formula. Right, up, right, up, right, up, right, up, right. I did it. Wow, did anybody time that? Hi, I'm Chris and welcome to Playing Games. Today I'm gonna show you how to cheat at Rubik's Cube. You phony. Now this is more of a party trick, a magic trick. You can really only do it once because people will catch on and they'll wanna mix up your Rubik's Cube and the trick won't work. First things first, you have to have a complete Rubik's Cube correctly built here with all the right colors and all the right sides. If it's mixed up and you don't know how to fix that, then you're out of luck. It won't work. But if you somehow have the ability to have a complete Rubik's Cube and still want to cheat, this is how you do it. And if you want to learn how to really solve the cube, check out my 7-step guide to solving the Rubik's Cube. I'll see you there. This trick works by setting up your Rubik's Cube in a way that appears to be mixed up, but it is really just one formula that is repeated, and then you repeat the formula in reverse, and suddenly it returns back to a perfect shape. So you start off, it looks messed up, but it's really not that messed up. So here's what we're gonna do. Orange in the front, and we're gonna go front to the left, whole front to the left, this side, right side down. Whole front to the left, right side down. Whole front to the left, right side down. Whole front to the left, right side down. And now what we have is what looks to be a pretty messed up Rubik's Cube. Now we're ready to solve it. We'll say right side up, front to the right. 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 Oh my gosh, we've solved the puzzle in just a few steps. And all you do is you just pick 2 steps. You could pick more, 3, 4 even. But if you just want to do it quick and dirty, all you need to do is find 2 steps that you repeat 5 times. So I'll just take this and do that again. So left, down, left, down, left, down, left, down, left, down. So it looks pretty messed up. Where my fingers are holding it, it doesn't look that messed up because I didn't really move those. But it looks like it's gonna take a little while to solve. But I'm like, I can solve this in less than 10 seconds. And so what I did was I went left, down. So now I'm gonna repeat it, but in the opposite direction. Instead of starting this way, I'm gonna start this way. Instead of starting down, I'm gonna start up. So I'll go up, right, up, right, up, right, up, right, up, right. I did it. Wow. So it's just a trick. It's not really solving the puzzle using lots of different formulas. It's just a quick and dirty way to kind of fool people into thinking that you're really good at the Rubik's Cube when you're not that good. We could do it differently too. We could take down, down, right, down, down, right, down, down, right. All right, that's even more messed up. So instead of doing down, down, right, we can do left, up, up, left, up, up, left, up, up. And we've solved it again. We can do that again. Right, up, up, right, up, up. Looks pretty messed up already. So we went right, up, up. So instead we'll go down, down, left, down, down, left. And we've solved it in just mere seconds. And that's how you cheat at Rubik's Cube. Don't let anybody know how you did it and only do it once or people will catch on. Please comment, subscribe, and like, and thanks for watching. You're great. See you next time on Playing Games.